Hello students, let me see about the direct and indirect speech of imperative sentence. You know students about imperative sentence where command, order, advice and request are given that are called imperative sentence. So imperative sentence always begin with verb. Let me see the direct and indirect speech of imperative sentence. So first you see the reporting verb of imperative sentence that said or said to change into change into follow. So here you see that if it is order in reported speech, so order change into order, and this is advice, so it change into advised, and this is request, change into requested, and sometimes you see sir, madam, kindly. These type of words also change into requested, and remove these types of word and remove, and so this is the reporting verb you have to notice in reported speech of imperative sentence. And if you see that is command, so command is also changes in commanded and replace inverted comma inverted comma with to, and you have to add here to before verb. So student, let me see the example of imperative sentence. Let the example of imperative sentence, you can see here the teacher said to boys, sit down. Here you see students, to know about the reported speech tense is in imperative sentence. So I have told you the sentence begin with verb, and here subject is not given. Sometimes subject is given, but you have to remember that start with verb, and here we see change into indirect speech. So we see here the teacher said, and according to you, a teacher, what can happen? It can make order or command. So sometimes you see the teacher also give an advice. So this is depend on your own thinking. So you can change said to whether it was order, advice, request and command. This is depend totally on your own thinking. So here you see the teacher check to, sometime you can say ordered boy, and remove inverted comma, add to sit down. And if you want to change in the teacher advise boy to sit down, you can also replace said to with advice. This is total depends your own thinking. And now we can take second example. Go away from here. The gardener said. And here you see students, this is the beginning. In beginning the reported speech is come, and after that the reporting verb. So that is not a matter. You have to apply the same rule which you have used. So we can write this the gardener, and here you see gardener made what? Order, command and advice. So here it may possible it is order, it may possible it is advice, and it may possible it is command, and it may also possible that it is request. So this is depends on the situation where created. So the gardener we can write ordered, and here object is not given. If you want to see the situation and thinking about the situation, so according to situation you can put any object, otherwise you can remove. And the gardener orders to go away from here. So this is the second example of imperative sentence. Now we see the third example. And third example we see my mom say let him go. So here you see students, so my mom say remains says, and if you think say, so let him go, it means to say it is advised. So my mom advised to let him go. So same this way you can use and apply it. And after that, in imperative sentence, let us a proposal. So for proposal we see what had happened. So for proposal you see for proposal said and said to change into proposed, and adder should be that they should. you can use in place of to. So let me see. For proposal, the word is come, that is let us. So let us play. My friend said. So here indirect speech you have to convert. So my friend, and here let us see given. So said is changed into proposed. My friend proposed, and in place of letters you have to use that they should. So that they should, and the rest of sentence you have to write here. So that is play. My friend proposed that they should play. So this is about the imperative sentence. And now we talk about in next video about explanation or optative sentence. Exclamation and optative sentence. Till then.